Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Updates. Lexus has given the LX an elegant yet muscular design that speaks to both its off-road capability and its refined luxury. The signature spindle grille has been slightly refined, giving it a modern edge without losing that iconic Lexus touch. The LED headlights are slim and sharp, adding to its bold aesthetic, while the body features strong, chiseled lines that exude confidence. Whether it's parked in the driveway or tackling rugged terrain, the LX looks absolutely stunning from every angle. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2025 Lexus LX is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and technology. Every surface is draped in high-quality materials, from soft leather to genuine wood and metal accents. Lexus has made comfort a priority, with plush, multi-adjustable seats that can be both heated and ventilated. The second and third rows offer ample space, making this SUV perfect for family trips or long drives. And for the first time, the LX offers an available executive package, which includes reclining rear seats and a center console packed with luxury features. It's like having a first-class lounge on wheels. Technology in the LX is nothing short of cutting edge. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, complemented by a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Lexus' latest interface is intuitive and responsive, with seamless integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a Mark Levinson premium sound system that transforms the cabin into a concert hall. Add to that the latest safety features, including Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which brings advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. But the 2025 Lexus LX isn't just about luxury. It's built for performance too. Under the hood, you'll find a robust 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain delivers an impressive 409 horsepower and 479 lp-ht of torque, ensuring that the LX has the muscle to handle both highway cruising and off-road challenges. And thanks to its full-time four-wheel drive system, adaptive variable suspension, and terrain management system, this SUV can tackle mud, sand, and rocks with ease. Lexus has also enhanced its towing capacity, making it a great option for those who need to haul boats, trailers, or other heavy loads. The fuel efficiency of the 2025 Lexus LX has also seen improvements, thanks to the combination of turbocharging and lighter construction. It offers a respectable MPG rating for a vehicle of its size and capability, ensuring that you won't have to stop frequently during long journeys. And if you're eco-conscious, Lexus has teased the possibility of hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants down the line. What really sets the Lexus LX apart, however, is its ability to strike a perfect balance between luxury and ruggedness. It's equally at home in urban settings as it is in remote wilderness. The attention to detail is impeccable, from the stitching on the seats to the feel of the steering wheel. Every feature has been designed to enhance the driving experience, whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat. As we wrap up this review, it's clear that the 2025 Lexus LX is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a statement. With its stunning design, state-of-the-art technology, powerful performance, and unwavering commitment to comfort and quality, it's a vehicle that caters to both the heart and the mind. Whether you're seeking a reliable companion for off-road adventures or a plush, high-tech sanctuary for daily commutes, the LX delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning in to this review of the 2025 Lexus LX. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts on the LX or what car you'd like us to review next. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.